Next up on the list is Cardano, which is one of my favorite coins and also my top cryptocurrency investment. Cardano, also known as ADA, is an open source, decentralized, and proof of stake coin. Let's start off with what is open source. Open source software is released under a license in which the copyright holder grants users the right to use, study, change, and distribute the software for any purpose. Basically, it allows anyone in the public to collaborate with the project and benefit from the positive changes the project provides. Cardano was founded in 2015 by Charles Hoskinson, who was a co-founder of Ethereum. Charles thought that Ethereum was lacking in some key areas and went on to create his own coin that now has one of the largest crypto communities on the planet. Cardano is also decentralized and works off of proof of stake. As we have discussed before, decentralization allows peer-to-peer transactions without the need of any third party like a bank. Proof of stake is one of the best features Cardano leverages today. Unlike proof of work like Bitcoin and Ethereum, Cardano holders can stake their coins in a stake pool and earn passive income on the coins they already own. Not only does this make the coin more energy efficient by not having to mine cryptos with expensive computer hardware, but also incentivizes holders to stake and invest for the long haul. When Cardano investors, like myself, delegate their coins into stake pools, they increase their chances of producing blocks. When blocks are produced, the pools earn rewards, and they are paid out to all their contributors. This is how new ADA tokens are introduced to the public. We will show you how to earn up to 6% yield using stake pools with ADA later on in the course. Staking your Cardano not only gives you the potential for rewards, but helps verify Cardano's network. Today, Cardano has 70% of their users staking their coin, and that number is increasing all the time. Cardano has been named the Ethereum killer for many reasons, and we've only gone over a few. Since the Alonzo hard fork, Cardano has now implemented capabilities to add NFTs to their blockchain. That's all we have for you in this video. We will see you in the next one.